Imagine a place where trees tower overhead, their trunks stretching so high you can barely see the tops. Above you, leaves weave together to form a thick, endless green ceiling. Welcome to the jungle, a world hidden beneath a living roof. Sunlight barely slips through the tangled branches, painting the ground with sparkles and shifting patterns of gold and green. Every sound is a clue, a bird's sudden squawk, the constant buzz of insects, or the distant call of a hidden animal. Listen closely, and you'll hear the rustle of hidden animals moving through the undergrowth, always just out of sight. The air is thick and humid, filled with the scent of rich earth, blooming flowers, and the promise of rain. It's like stepping into a living storybook, where every step could reveal something new. A hidden creature, a rare plant, or a secret path. Rivers snake through the trees, winding their way around roots and rocks, bringing life to everything they touch. Flowers burst in every color you can imagine, while monkeys swing and leap above, chattering and playing in the treetops. The whole place hums with life. Everywhere you look, something is moving, growing, or calling out. The jungle is nature's oldest city, busy and full of secrets, with more residents than any city built by humans. As explorers, we move quietly, searching for clues. Footprints pressed into the mud, a feather caught on a branch, or a half-eaten fruit. Sometimes all we catch is a flash of color as a rare bird or animal darts away, vanishing into the green. Each jungle is unique, from misty mountain forests shrouded in clouds to steamy valleys where the air feels alive. But all are packed with life, every inch filled with plants and animals competing, cooperating, and surviving together. Jungles stretch across South America, covering vast lands with their emerald canopies, and reach into Africa and Asia, each continent home to its own wild wonders and mysteries. Every jungle has its own cast of creatures, some familiar, some so strange they seem like they belong in a dream. Some jungles are cool and misty, with clouds drifting through the trees, while others are hot, buzzing with insects and alive with sound. But all are bursting with surprises, waiting for curious eyes to discover their secrets. These wild worlds are home to more creatures than we can count, from the tiniest insects to the largest cats. The jungle is a puzzle, and every sound, shadow, or movement is a piece waiting to be found and understood. Ready to explore? Let's step into this green mystery together, side by side with eyes wide open for adventure. There's no telling what wonders we'll find. The adventure begins now. Let's see what secrets the jungle will share with us. Deep in the heart of New Guinea's mysterious jungle, where sunlight dances through thick leaves and the air is alive with the sounds of hidden creatures, scientists made an incredible discovery. A frog that looks so much like a piece of chocolate, you might almost mistake it for a sweet treat. This unique amphibian is called Littoria mira, or the chocolate frog. Its smooth, glossy brown skin isn't just for show. It's the perfect disguise, helping it blend right into the muddy swamps and forest floors where it lives. Thanks to this clever camouflage, the chocolate frog can hide from hungry predators that might be searching for their next meal. What's even more fascinating is that this frog is closely related to species found in Australia, suggesting that New Guinea and Australia were once joined together long ago, sharing animals and plants. The chocolate frog is like a living fossil, a clue that helps scientists piece together the story of Earth's ancient past and how continents have shifted over millions of years. It's a reminder that even the tiniest creatures can unlock big mysteries about our planet's history and evolution. The jungle is still full of surprises. Maybe a beetle shaped like a button is hiding under a leaf, or a snake as thin as a shoelace is slithering quietly through the undergrowth, waiting to be discovered. Every new discovery, no matter how small or strange, is a sweet reminder of nature's endless creativity and imagination. Who knows what other wonders are still waiting to be found in the world's wild places? The chocolate frog is proof that the magic of the jungle is very real, and sometimes it comes in the most unexpected forms. So stay curious, because in nature, there's always more to discover, and every adventure could lead to the next amazing find. High in the forests of Sumatra, a rare ape swings through the trees, the Tapanuli orangutan. With frizzy hair and a unique call, it's the rarest great ape on Earth. These gentle giants build leafy nests each night and use tools to find food. Their special song echoes through the mountains, different from any other orangutan. Scientists only recently discovered this species, showing how much we still have to learn. The Tapanuli orangutan's discovery is a reminder of nature's hidden wonders, but with so few left, their survival depends on protecting their forest home. Every new species is a treasure and a responsibility. The sky-walking orangutan is a living gift we must protect. Their story is just beginning. In Hawaii's rushing streams, a tiny fish performs an incredible feat. The Nopili rock-climbing goby climbs waterfalls. This remarkable fish is no bigger than your finger, yet it faces one of nature's toughest challenges. Using a suction cup mouth, it sticks to slippery rocks and wiggles upward, defying gravity with every determined movement. Each climb is a test of strength and persistence. This journey keeps it safe from hungry ocean predators and helps it lay eggs far upstream, where the next generation can grow in safety. The goby's climb is slow and tough, sometimes taking days to reach the top, but it shows how animals adapt in amazing ways to survive. These fish connect the ocean and rivers, depending on both habitats to thrive and complete their life cycle. Their story reminds us how important clean, healthy waterways are, not just for gobies, but for all life that depends on rivers. If rivers are blocked by dams or polluted with trash, the goby's journey ends, and the whole ecosystem suffers. Studying this fish teaches us about resilience, adaptation, and the delicate balance of nature that supports all creatures. Even the smallest creatures can do extraordinary things, overcoming obstacles that seem impossible. Protecting their home means protecting the entire river ecosystem, ensuring a future for countless species. The goby's climb is a tiny miracle in the wild, a reminder that nature is full of wonders, big and small. Discovering new animals is like a giant game of hide and seek. Scientists use patience, quiet observation, and clever tools like camera traps and sound recorders. Local people often know the jungle's secrets best, guiding scientists to hidden creatures. Every footprint, call, or nest is a clue. Once something new is found, scientists study its looks and DNA to confirm it's a new species. It's careful, exciting work that takes teamwork and curiosity. Every discovery is a reward for patience and wonder. The jungle's secrets reveal themselves to those who look closely. Why does finding a new frog or ape matter? Every creature is a vital part of the jungle's puzzle. Each discovery teaches us about evolution, adaptation, and the web of life. The chocolate frog links continents. The Tapanuli orangutan shows how apes evolve. The goby reveals nature's ingenuity. New species highlight special habitats that need protection. Saving their homes means saving countless other plants and animals too. Sometimes, these discoveries even lead to new medicines for people. The jungle is a library of secrets, waiting to help us solve big problems. Every new creature is a victory for science and the planet. Protecting them protects us all. The jungle is a treasure chest of life, color, and mystery. There are still countless creatures waiting to be discovered. You don't need to travel far. Curiosity starts in your own backyard. The more we learn, the more we care, and caring leads to action. Jungles are disappearing fast, but we can help by supporting conservation and making smart choices. Every small action counts, from learning about rainforests to sharing their stories. Let's promise to protect these wild worlds and their secrets. The jungle's story should never end. By keeping it safe, we keep the magic alive for everyone. The adventure of discovery belongs to us all.